cell J5. You want to calculate total sales for stores in the South region only. To do so, you will use the SUMIF function to search range D4 through D17 to identify stores with a region value of South. Then total the 2020 sales values listed in range E4 through E17 for those stores. Because the criteria is a text value, you must enclose it in parentheses. Type =SUMIF, open parenthesis, D4 through D17, comma, open quotation, South, close quotation, comma, E4 through E17, close parenthesis, in cell J5. As you type, Excel highlights the function arguments in the worksheet. Press Enter. After you press Enter, Excel completes the calculations and returns the result of the SUMIF function in cell J5.